Hey guys, welcome back to the Delphi Turtle. In this video, we're going to be looking at what is Auto Invoke and how can you enable it in Delphi 12. What is Auto Invoke and why do we use it? Auto Invoke is a feature of Delphi which creates a small hint window that lists valid elements that you can select to add to your code without needing to type out the entire element's name. For example, number of hours of sleep can be tedious to type in manually, and it's easy to make spelling errors. Instead, we use Auto Invoke, which means you only need to type in the first maybe 4 letters, and it will auto-complete with what you are looking for. Auto Invoke can be turned on by going to the Tools tab, going to the Options menu, then opening the editor, going to Language, and then Code Insight. Here you can see code completion is turned off. So we should turn that on, ensure Auto Invoke is turned on, and then change it from only on dot to immediately. We can now save our settings and go back to our code. And we type in inum. It autofills that we're talking about number of hours of sleep. We can now just press enter and it will type out the whole variable. And we can say it's equal to 8. Auto Invoke is also useful when referring to components. For example, btn will show all our buttons that we have on our form, in this case, test, run, and fail. We can now use the arrow keys to navigate to btn run and press enter and it will autofill it in. And then we can change the caption, just press enter again and it'll fill it in, to run. Thank you guys for watching till the end of the video. Check out my channel for more useful tips and tricks for using Delphi, and I'll see you next time.